about the shakiness. I'm standing out in the middle of an open field. I found the freaking Houston Emirates Airbus. Holy crap. The Airbus and the Dreamlifter in the same day. I'm out of breath. I just caught the freaking Airbus. Finally, after 50-something freaking days, I've caught the freaking Airbus. Let me show you how I did it. So, I had to wake up because I'm a night shift guy. I was sleeping. Woke up, came out to looked at the radar, saw it was close. You seen the post. Ooh, look at my hands are dirty and hurting. Anyway, came out to my car because I thought, oh man, it's only a couple miles away. Guess what? Car got a flat tire. No joke. So I jumped on this bike over here. No joke. With this camera on a tripod. And I pedaled as fast as I could. I don't know. I thought, man, at least get on the edge of town so I can at least not have the trees and stuff in my way. And so I went out there. And thankfully, I still had signal for my phone. I could watch it on radar because we don't have that crap around here. And man, I saw it. It had contrails, which is good. I hope it did. So, you know, some places don't have contrails. Oh, I got it. Oh.